Hey guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed my last video. I'm really sorry you couldn't watch it on your Android phones, but it's fixed now. I hope you like this one. I don't want to say much, just go and watch it. Subscribe it, click the like. Mwah! Love you guys.
Take it easy. Take it easy.